Welcome to my channel. So today we'll be making a December flyer. So it's gonna be like a new month, and you know, anytime it's December like this, we already know we're approaching the end of the year and the Christmas season. So I want to make this quick tutorial I make for a client, and without taking much of your time, let's get straight ahead and bring in the background. So I would okay. Where did I get the background? Okay. Let me just go over here and get the background from my device. And so this is the background that we'll be using. What I'll just do is I'll just kind of stretch it and take this to the back. So all those leaf parts is not showing. And then I'll go ahead and bring in all these Christmas items. So let me go over and get it. If this is the first time on my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me the kind of videos you want me to make more of. So I'll add this up, then I'll add this other one. So these are the two major things that I'll be using. So reduce this first. So for this one, we'll just place it at the bottom. Just place it here this way. Copy it, then change the angle the same way, just place it there also. Then you want to lock it so it doesn't interfere with your work. Then this so for this one, see what we're gonna do. We're gonna do some things here. We'll first crop. We'll select this part. We'll select this part. Go over to your eraser. So remove that bottom part that is showing this side. Remove it. Yeah, okay, it's still showing. Erase it. We don't want that bottom part to show. And there you go. So you place this here, bring it to the front. You place this here like this. Still see if you can reduce it. So place it there, copy it, also place it at the top here. So and increase it. So just place it at the top here. Okay. Then we'll copy this. After copying, we'll also crop now. We'll select another aspect of this. That is this particular part like this. That's the next part we'll be making use of. So you have this to be this way, and let's see, you place this one here. Copy it. Then you go to 3D rotate. Then change the angle. Then place this here like this. And excuse me, there you have it. So the next thing is we want to bring in the logo that we used. That is for Dixon Travels. Bring in the logo. So I have the logo here. Let's reduce it. Reduce it. So if you want to find out more about this agency, you can always reach out to me. And yes, there you go. So now We'll bring this to the front and we'll lock every other thing. So we've brought in all what we need. Now just for us to write the details, and the first thing we'll be writing here is welcome to, and you might want to do this because we're going to use a script font that is an auto. Okay, you can download the font if you don't have it. Autographer, that's the name of the font. Autographer. So you can search for it. So you have this to be like this. Then you want to make the color black, so our color is not black here. Then you centralize it. Then you want to copy it, then put in December there. Now we'll change the font. I'll be using the font Clash Display. I'll be using the very bold version of the font. So we want to increase it. And there you go. So now the color, we'll be using a gradient color. As you can see, I already make use of the gradient, but let's just start the process all over again. So how do we get the gradient? You select the darker version of it first, then go over to this other side and select the lighter part. Okay, select the lighter part of it this way. So you might and there you go. If you want to adjust the gradient, you can always do that. You can always adjust your gradient to whichever way you want. So have it like this, then bring it to the front. Then the next thing is we'll bring in this shape, based on the brand. It's trying to communicate like a youthful vibe, so we kind of make the shape to be kind of curvy at the edge. So applied, of course, sub radius, I think 5 for 10. Then the color is ash or gray, whichever one you want to call it. Then bring in another text and put in what you have there. So I have this already, like a new month message. There you have it. Reduce it, and you can use this font, or you can use like the common Mozart, whichever one works well for you. But change the color to black, or whichever, not necessarily Mozart. Let me see which other variety of font here. This one is nice. You can use this one or use Montserrat, just whatever font you want to use. Then we want to align it to the center, give it the center alignment. So you have this to be like this, because we want it to just be 3 lines. If you want it to be like this, or if you want to adjust it, if you know you want to adjust it, then you definitely have to adjust it. So you bring it down some more, and there you go. You can change this. If this is not nice with you, then do this. Still copy this and stretch it out, and come over here, yes. So now the color, we'll be using a gradient green like this. So now the next thing, we want to copy this and put in the last thing there, the contact details, phone number, the website, and all that. So you have this to be like this. Color is going to be white, and you can reduce the size. reduce the size. Okay, so with that we've done the only thing is just to bring in the icon for social media website and all that. So for the social media, you can do this, copy, let's just assume Facebook, Twitter. We'll do this Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Then what you want to do is go back to your phone. There's this font called Social Cycle. You can download it. So you have this like this. So now you have that icon there. So you can choose to place it by this side, or if you want, you can place it at the top. So or you just make some necessary adjustments. Maybe make it 30 now, and that's good. Then you bring this down. So for this, you can also increase the size. So take it up a bit. So you can do this. Take this up. Then the other thing is just for you to bring in the. Okay, let's bring in the phone. Let's bring the phone icon or contacts. I'll search for it. So my job, it won't take much of a time. So you have this like this. Just place it there. Color, white, that's phone. You can increase it. So that's for phone. And the last thing is the website. Browse the website icon. That's it. And so that's that. With that, we've come to the end of the tutorial. The only thing I always say, after making your design, try and make sure that everything is properly aligned. This is a tutorial, so I might not be going deep into all that, but it's just for you to have the understanding. And once you're done, like they say, dot your I's and cross your T's. Just make sure everything comes out the way it's supposed to. And with that, we've come to the end of our tutorial. Thank you for watching. So we've been able to replicate this. You can go ahead and delete this, then save your project, and you have your design. So see you in our next tutorial. Thank you.